Today for Understanding the Machine, we will show you how to use simple Excel functions and also more complicated Excel functions. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a column set up for the numbers, which is located right over here. And so what I'm going to show you is, here are the functions that I'm going to show you today. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to add two numbers. So simply, all you have to do is put an equal sign. In any function, you need to put an equal sign, and in order to add two numbers, you add, let's just say 12 and 31, you do b2, which is the function, plus the next column, and it'll do it for you. And there you have it. It added the two numbers. If you want to subtract the two numbers, it's pretty much the same thing. You take the first number, subtract the second number. Now, this function is a little bit more complicated, but it's not too complex. So what you got to do is you got to just type in the function. It's called a sum function, and you put a bracket, and then you highlight all the numbers, and what this will do is it'll add all the numbers together. The next thing I'm going to show you is the mean. The mean is just basically an average. So the function is called average, and same thing, you want to take an average of all the numbers, so you just highlight it once again, and you there you go. The median is basically the middle number of all of these numbers. So let's do the median function. Once again, same thing. And there you have it. That's the middle number. The mode is basically the number that occurs the most. And so the mode function is obviously called mode. If you're using Excel 2010, it might give you an option for mode single and mode multi, but you don't need to use that. You can just select the numbers away just by using the mode function, and you highlight them, and there we go. And then next function we've chosen is standard deviation for anyone who is taking stats courses. So how to do the standard deviation is STDEV, and then you just select the numbers. And there you have the standard deviation. Now, if statements are a little bit more complicated. What an if statement is for example, let's just say if I want a number, like let's just say this column to be greater than 12, right? And if that statement is true, I want it to show me something like a value, or something like saying yes or something like no. So what I'll show you is, let's just say that so I'll start off with the if statement. So let's just say if this number, so if this cell is greater than 15, and what happens if the value is true? So what if it is true? So then I want it to show me and say yes. Otherwise, if it is not, then tell me that, then say no. So basically it's telling me no because 12 is not greater than 15. However, what if I change this number to, let's just say 17, it's going to change it to yes. And as you can see, it's also changed the other functions along with it. That's how Excel can be very helpful, because as you're going along, it changes numbers. Like for example, if I change this number to 22, it'll change all the other values. And since there's no mode anymore, since two numbers aren't the same, there's no mode anymore. So it gives you a not available function. If you want to check out more functions, please visit this link. We'll also put this up on our website, so it'll be easier access for you.